Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a blue square whose area is 25 square centimeter, and there is a yellow square whose area is 16 square centimeter, and our task is to find the area of this orange square. Consider the side length of this yellow square is x. So the area of this yellow square will be x square units, and we have given its area is 16, so we can write it as 16. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get the value of x is equal to square root of 16. So the value of x is equal to square root of 16. This is 4. So the side length of this square is 4 units. Again, consider the side length of this blue square is y, and the area of this square will be y square unit, and we have given the area as 25 square unit. So we can write y square, the area of this blue square, and which is 25 square centimeter. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get the value of y is equal to square root of 25, and the value of y, this is square root of 25, which is 5. So the value of y, this will be 5 units. Now consider the side length of this orange square is z. So this length, this will be z, and the side length of this yellow square is x. So this is x, and the sum of these two side length z and x, this is same as the length of this square. So we can write z plus x, the side length of this two square, z plus x, which is equal to the side length of this square, which is y. Now substituting the value of x and y, we will get the value of z. So we can write this z plus the value of x is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to the value of y, this is 5. Now taking this 4 to right side, we will get z is equal to this 5 minus this 4. So the value of z is equal to 5 minus 4, this is 1. So the value of z is equal to 1. As the side length of this square is z, so its area will be z square. So the area of this orange square will be z square, and the value of z we have found is 1 unit, and this square is equal to 1 square is 1. So the area of this orange square is 1 square centimeter, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Thanks for watching.